Across 140 years, Ingersoll Rand has spanned 6 continents and 100 countries. But it's not our size that makes us a global leader. It's our people. And places like Kent, Washington, home to America's 4th largest manufacturing and distribution center, and Ingersoll Rand's Winch and Hoist manufacturing plant. Located in the heart of the Green River Valley, with panoramic views of Mount Rainier, the Cascades, and Olympic Mountains, Kent remains grounded by hard work, ingenuity, and national pride. In our state-of-the-art 100,000 square foot facility, highly trained employees produce winch and hoist equipment that meets the most demanding material handling needs. With all major disciplines under one roof, including product management, engineering, assembly, testing, and shipping, our Kent facility instills a unique environment that merges technology and innovation to create the world's most durable products. It all starts with customers and their requirements, which our engineers transform into custom solutions. A complete inventory of in-house parts helps speed production and underscores the plant's commitment to continuous process improvement. Our Kent facility earns equal praise for its comprehensive on-site testing program. Here, production lines yield the broadest range of chain hoists in the world, able to move up to 100 tons with ease for a full spectrum of industries, from food production to construction, mining, and refinery. Team collaboration and safety play key roles throughout manufacturing to assure each product meets the highest quality standards. Our winch production lines employ the same meticulous processes for ergonomic tools that improve safety and performance. This streamlined approach assures air, electric, and hydraulic winches are built to exact specifications. All machining, assembly, and finishing takes place on-site to assure continuity and precision. Next, each unit, from small manual hoists to large man-rider winches, undergoes rigorous testing and calibration before being fully certified for shipment and approved to wear the Ingersoll Rand name. In addition to full-service distribution, our Kent facility offers a winch and hoist service center for maintenance, repairs, and warranty work to keep equipment in peak condition. High-quality products, manufactured and assembled in the USA, and like our scenic mountain ranges, built to stand the test of time. This is what sets our Kent facility apart. This is what makes us Ingersoll Rand.